up? Welcome back to my channel. It's a Lion Boy, and today we're going to be making warrior cat charms. To give further detail in what warrior cat charms are, they're basically, you use Shrinky Dinks and you draw them and then you put them in the oven and they shrink and get hard and they basically turn to this. Here are some charms that I've already made. This is Firestar. And yeah, I just put little strings so that you can put them on your wrist and stuff. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do today. Before we get on with this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see future videos and past videos. Now let's get started. Woo! So if you guys have color therapy, you can follow me on there. My name is Lion Warriors WAF Fan. Fan is like WAF and then A-N. I just used one letter F. I'll put it right here. So yeah, if you guys have color therapy, just follow me. I'd love for you guys to follow me so you can see more drawings. And yeah. Let's make some warrior cats! Let's do this!
creatures that have ever walked the earth.